fill up the oh, that's right. I have a blue pitcher for the blue room and a red pitcher for the red room. And I think I left the blue one downstairs. Oh good, this one's starting to drink. This one was so small and wispy, it wasn't drinking a lot of water, but now it's finally filling out and actually making a real effort to take in water. I've never had the privilege of just having a whole tent just for 2 plants. This is really nice. I went to the Dispo today. I went to the Dispo. I got enough to roll this many joints. What else did I get? It's an ounce. I just want to show the bag if I can find it. Okay, so here's the thing. I went to the Dispo because I thought I ran out, but I kind of really didn't. I found some when I got home. But I had my little cartridge, I really liked that flavor too, that cartridge thing I was smoking. And I had it on me and I wanted to show them, oh, I really like this. And I put it in my coat pocket. It was really hot in there. I took my coat off and hung it over my arm, and when I went out to the truck, couldn't find that little cartridge thing. So that's like an expensive little item that I lost while I was at the Dispo because I ran out of flour. So this particular trip I've got just flour. I don't know what happened. Last time I thought I got flour plus other stuff, but this time they only let me get an ounce of flour and then that's it. They don't let you get more than an ounce a day at these Dispos. Somebody was questioning me today why I call it a Dispo, because it's like a dispensary, there's no O in it, and I didn't even think of that. I'm like, why are you asking me that? Like, does it matter? I said, because it's easy to say. You can't say I went to the dispensa. Oh, here's my container. So I'm gonna fill this up. Yeah, I am so bummed. I mean, I might find it in the truck on the floor somewhere or on the bottom of my purse, but I switched. I checked through both my little purse. I carry two, like a little one inside a big one. And I checked through both of those thoroughly, like four or five times each. So I really don't think, in my coat pockets, I checked my coat pockets like 20 times. Kept checking. So I really think I lost that. While I'm buying more because I'm running out. I'm just so frustrated. I just want my plants to grow and have my own and not have to go there. But it's good news when I came home that I found actually 3 bags full, but none of it's great quality, but it's something plus another jar. So 3 bags in a jar. When before I was looking around and thought I was out completely. So I don't know how I missed all that because it was all right here in my closet and on the floor over there. Go ahead. It's such a tiny room. That's why I don't know for sure if I actually lost that little cartridge, because that's me. Like I lose stuff very easily. Sometimes for months and months. I lose something for like a year. It's bad. It's bad. I'm gonna put this away. I've been kind of stashing this on the floor next to my tent so that I don't have to look at it all the time now. But you need it just like this because at any moment you might want to grab and roll a joint. So all the stuff is right here. So I like to keep it all like this, but it's pretty ugly looking. Get that hidden away. And I also have a painting that fell off the wall, a little handheld vacuum cleaner, that tray, and the hookah. The hookah's good looking. I shouldn't have that back here. And the stand for my lights, all back here. Between things that have to be dealt with. Oh, there's weed in the hookah though. This little bag with some weed. Oh, it looks brown as hell. Oh, it went bad. It either went bad or, yeah, it went bad. There's like a little plastic bag of little saran wrap of weed sitting in the hookah for 2 years or whatever. So the hookah, I don't know. Oh, it's got water in it? I haven't tried it in a while. Let's try it with the new strawberry something weed that I just got. Aura or Atmosphere or Afternoon or something with an A. Strawberry. There you go. That's my memory for you. That's about as far as I'm gonna get. Sprinkle around a little bit. Is that just gonna go right down the holes? This is actually a little too finely ground. Okay, that didn't take too long. Found it. Strawberry. I was gonna say on here. Afterglow. That's what it is. Ooh, I knew it started with an A. I had that part right. And the look of the buds. I know it's like a little smoky in here, a little foggy. That's the Strawberry Afterglow. It looks a little weird, I have to say. So I'm gonna put one of the nugs in here, and I'm not gonna waste it by, overdoing it. Just try that and see if it works. Oh yeah. Oh, it's great. Oh, good stuff. Carry it around like this. Hello. It's like a lantern. What's up yonder? Oh. This is what it looks like in the bowl. It's been a couple of years since I showed the hookah. I do use it occasionally, but it's been a while. And it's got the water. I might change the water. Put something cold in there. Oh, I see. There's a little thing right here that you can get another hose. Take this top off. Put another hose there, and you can have multiple smokers. I don't know. This is cool, but I don't know why they had to put their little name brand with the rights reserves R and like a name all on the whole tube. It kind of takes away from the look of it. Marijuana madness. All right, thank you for joining me. See you tomorrow, everyone. So these are the flowering ones, and let's see how they did overnight. Make any more of that stuff or what? Looking for flowers. Okay, because I think they're gonna need a day in the sun to really show me what's up here. What's on the leaf over here? Some spots. It's different. I don't know what that's from. All the other leaves look alright. Must be one of the old ones from when they got some damage early on. I should put my compost in here where it's all hidden away. Not that one because it's a little big, but since I've got this little place for things, or I could store water in there too, I guess. $14 and $81. 14. How is that possible? It can't be. Wait a minute. I mean, I've got this thing pouring humidity in here. That can't be. So I figured out, wait a minute, I figured out that the sensor that's supposed to figure out how much humidity that the humidifier should release in here, and put it here in line with like The top of the plants, I guess, is a good place. Either the top or the middle of the plants is a good place. I don't know why it bothers me so much when it touches the leaves. So that should be rising. I'm gonna give it some time to rise up and give me a new reading. But that was the issue. The sensor was in the wrong place. Yeah, so it's already noon on Sunday, the 18th, January 18th. They started flowering, I don't know, maybe it's on track, I don't know. I lost my tubing, so I haven't been able to make a tea. Maybe I should just run to Dave's, like in person, go to a pet supply store and get it, because it's taken me forever to like get on Amazon and do the orders I need to do. It'd probably be quicker just to run to the store at this point than wait for them to deliver tubing. I've got flowers coming up. It's coming up that's going into flower pretty soon, and I'll have it for those. I just think these flowering plants aren't gonna get any tea at all. Although, no, they will, because they strike that. Of course they will, because they don't even have flowers yet. So it looks like I'm in for another 8 weeks on top of that. Okay, we'll be back later on today to check the progress on these flowers, and down in the basement, all that stuff going on down there. And there's Cleo. See you in a few.
Okay, that's it.
Look how pretty Langbeinite is. If you're feeling lazy and you don't want to get to adding nutrients like I do so often, think of how pretty it is. It's fun. And as I stir it in, it breaks up the soil, like the packed soil. It makes it less packed and kind of makes it more fluffy. We got a good stretch going here. Two pretty plants, and I checked the light meter. This one. And I'll bring this stuff downstairs and add it to my older plants down there. Some tomato and the late veg stage ones. When I put the meter in there, it was only around 200 to 300. Left it at the same height, but I turned it all the way up. Because these plants are covering a good amount of this 3x3, the inside. Pretty good coverage in there. Oh, I still haven't added the net. Maybe I'll do that now. I'm hearing that the cold is impeding ice people in Minnesota. And if we had ice here, which I know we do have some, I hope they're slipping in the ice. I don't know what's going to happen when the weather is springtime and very nice weather and they can maneuver better, they can grab people out of their cars easier, get better footing. So I'm a little worried at that point, but for now, I'm just grateful for the ice and cold over there. And today is January 17th. No, it's not. I just have that circled for some reason. It's actually the 18th. Okay, I'm maybe Getty's. I'll be back.